Hello everyone. Our project is called EasyPitt, which basically is a menu-driven program to display various results based on users' ask. We will walk over the program by following all the steps through this menu. When we run the program, the user is prompted with a menu which lists down events, weather, hotel map, preferred commute mode, as well as an option to quit from the program. If the user enters 1, the program shows another menu specifically for the events happening in Pittsburgh. Now, if the user enters 1 again, the program displays a table of the events happening in the upcoming week. If we go back to events and try to search for the event, the program asks for a month as well as the date of the event. This displays the events as well as other details like time and venue of the event as well as weather for the day. Now if we go back to the events and try to select option number 3, which is export to Excel, a download is made in an Excel format into our current directory, which includes the name, date, time, venue and a link to the event. Now going back to the program, if we go and select weather, we can see that we have 3 options here. One is to show the weather trend, and if a user enters 1, this is how a graph pops up showing highest and lowest temperatures over the couple of weeks. Now going back to the weather, I can again export the weather data by entering 2 or return to the main menu by clicking R. Option number 3 gives us a hotel map of hotels around Pittsburgh, and it looks something like this. This has all the markers of hotels in Pittsburgh along with a click to open option with the names. Now going back to the program, the 4th option gives us the preferred commute mode, and when I enter 4, it asks for a destination. Suppose a user types down, it shows us whatever destinations are available, and here we have downtown, so I'll go ahead and type downtown. This shows common modes of transport used to reach downtown. Now the last option is to quit from the program, and for that I can type a Q and the program will quit. Thank you.